Okay, this is a little review of Trig and an introduction to statics. Okay? These are some everyday applications you'll find for statics and structural materials. A gin pole and a boom, a jack, a folding chair, a hoist, a small bridge, foot joint lights. Okay? And here are three types of triangles. We have a right triangle. One angle is 90 degrees, and two acute angles. Oblique, everything is less than 90 degrees. Okay? With acute angles only. An oblique triangle that has one obtuse angle, one greater than 90 degrees, obtuse means greater than 90 degrees, and two less. Okay? Remember that we know that in a triangle, all three angles add to 180 degrees. Okay? Alright, so let's look at some math relationships. Okay, if we have, this is a leg A, this is a leg B, this is C, okay? C is the one that is across from the right angle. This is our right angle. Okay, we have the Pythagorean theorem first, and it is A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Okay? So that means this squared plus this squared is equal to the length of the hypotenuse C squared. Okay? Sine. What's the relationship for sine? Okay? We say that sine is the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Okay? If we want to know the sine of this angle, we're calling this angle here x. Okay? Alright, we would need to do A divided by C. Okay? It also means that the sine of y would be equal to, okay, the opposite is b, and the hypotenuse is c. Okay? Now let's do cosine. Okay? Cosine is going to be equal to the adjacent, and that's the one beside it, divided by the hypotenuse. Right? So the cosine of x for this triangle here would be the adjacent b divided by c. And the cosine of y, the angle y, would be a divided by c. See if that makes sense to you. The cosine is the adjacent means the side, divided by the hypotenuse. Okay? Hypotenuse is the longest one. Right? So for x, that would be b divided by c. And for y, that would be a divided by c. Now finally then we have tangent. Right? Tangent is equal to the opposite divided by the adjacent, which means the tangent of x would be equal to the opposite, that's a, divided by the adjacent b. Okay? And the tangent of y would be equal to opposite b divided by adjacent, the one beside it, a. Okay? So that is part one of